Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. I am studying grade 4. Today I am going to give a short speech on the barrier between us. Hey, picture this. You are the Mati and you're scrolling through your phone. And then you take notice of this lady saying hello to everybody, but no acknowledgement. And then you take notice of this man who's also scrolling in his phone. Give the raised eyebrows look. I encountered myself in this situation before a few months ago on my way to school. I was furious at that man's reaction. But what I also noticed was that reaction was demonstrated by several people in that cabin. I kept quiet, but I went home and dwelled on it. In that, I understood that lady was a special needs. So, special needs, in my opinion, special needs is euphemism for disabled and separate. Disabled, it's a very common term. You may have heard it in many places. Disabled individual, disabled person, etc. But separate. Have you ever tried to link this word separate to the word special needs? Maybe not, but I did. How did I do it? Let me explain this to you. Now, the normal people community. We go to normal mainstream schools. We go to recreational centers with swimming pools. We are in normal social circles. And here is a barrier, and across that barrier is a completely different community. Kids go to separate schools. Adults get separate facilities, separate services, everything with the word separate in front of it. Why is this barrier, may I ask? What's the need of this barrier? This barrier discrimination of us and those people. We have pushed them away. We have discriminated them. In this way, we have harmed ourselves. Let me illustrate this to you. Take an example of global warming. The harmful toxins that are being released into the air, they will toxify the environment. But what will also do? They'll harm us. When we inhale these toxins, it may shorten our lifespan. It may cause us to deal with fatal diseases. Similarly, when we push these people away, we'll never recognize their talent. Take an example of Nick Vujicic. He is a limbus person, but he is a very, very great speaker. We embraced him. We welcomed him with two hands despite his disability. If we suppose a deaf girl, she cannot hear, but she can dance so well, better than Michael Jackson. But we will never recognize her talent because we pushed her away, we discriminated her. So if we embrace Nick, why can't we embrace the other people? And at the end of my speech, I like to say, judge a person on his ability, not his disability, because an ability of person judges him or her. Thank you.